Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see the simple tips to teach a toddler to write English handwriting neatly and legibly. The first and foremost thing is when you're starting to help a toddler write, you should use a good graphite pencil. The most preferred one in the market is DOMS Fusion pencil. This is an extra super dark pencil. Okay? And always ensure to have an eraser by your side at the initial stages of writing. And prefer to use sketch pens because a toddler will always like to see and observe dark colors during writing. These are the techniques preferred during initial stages of writing for a preschooler or a toddler. In English, we have 7 basic strokes and lines for the alphabets in capital. Okay, so let us see the first and foremost stroke, which is called the slanting line or the slanting stroke. First and foremost, you should always ensure for a toddler to place dots and only then join the lines, because any child who's the beginner to write will not understand doing the lines directly. They will always go this way and this way, which is incorrect. So start placing the first dot on the red line, the second dot on the third line, which is the second blue line, and then draw a slanting line, which is also called the slanting stroke. This is the first and foremost stroke in the English capital alphabet writing. Second stroke is the slanting line towards the right. For this as well, please ensure to mark the dots and only then teach your toddler to join it. The third one will be the small curve which begins from the red line and ends at the first blue line. So place the 2 dots and then ensure to join this neatly and slowly. The fourth one is the bigger curve, for which you place the first dot on the first red line and the second dot on the second blue line. This is a bigger curve. The fifth one is the curve towards your left. The sixth one is the standing line. Always ensure to place the dots and only then teach the toddler to join the line. Next and the final one is the sleeping line. Place the dots and help the toddler to join it. So teach these strokes for almost 1 to 1.5 months when you are starting the learning sessions for handwriting. And ensure your little one keeps tracing on these written strokes repeatedly for his or her practice. The next letters which are quite tricky for the toddler to learn is G, U. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. G. U. O. Q. J. And yes. You start from here and end here. These are a little tricky curves in the English set of alphabets which you need to take separate attention and help your toddler do it. I am repeating them once again. Place a dot on the first red line. Draw the left curve. Stop it. Put a slanting line. Then start inwards for a sleeping line. Once again, bring out a standing line. For U, place 2 dots and have a bottom curve. For O, it is the most difficult one for a preschooler toddler because they don't get the curve correctly. You can help him or her to have an in-between dot and then join it. Same logic applies for alphabet Q as well. For J, it is a sleeping line and then a bent curve. For S, place a dot, come towards your left, stop. Go towards your right, stop. Take a bend and come back and stop at this point itself. Now, I will teach you each and every alphabet in English capital writing. So, first is letter A. I placed a dot on the red line, then on the blue line, and then a slanting line towards your left, slanting line towards your right, and a stroke in between. Now, to help a preschooler, always ensure to have one finger gap between the letters. Okay? Now, we will write letter B. A standing line, the curve, and one more curve. Letter C, a left curve. Letter D, right curve. Letter E, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again a sleeping line. All these should ensure to be on the same line. Okay? So you should encourage your toddler, practice these letters for a day or two without any mistakes and only then go to the next set of letters. Okay? Take 5 letters at a time and help them learn it thoroughly and then go to the next set of letters. Okay? So now I will teach the next set of letters, that is F, G, H, I, and J. The next set of letters are K, L M N O. I told you this is quite tricky, so help them do the first curve towards their left and then the second curve towards their right. Next set of letters, P, the small curve, Q, again the tricky letter, left curve, right curve, a dot inside and outside and join it. R, yes, the most tricky letter when you're starting at the beginning stages. So take a curve, stop. Take a curve and stop. Then T. It's one of the easiest letters. The next set of letters, they are the last ones. U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. So this is the way you neatly practice your letters in the block handwriting for a preschooler or a toddler. Thank you.